So we're going to ski now, and our hotel is just in front of the ski resort, Hotel Nature World Furano. So let's go, guys. Hi guys! Welcome to Hokkaido Furano Ski Resort! Mabuhay! Skiing suit and baby girl in the pink one, and so we are skiing here at Hokkaido today, February 3. Look at the view, guys. So hi guys, welcome back to Pingsang Pagita YouTube channel. So we are here at Hokkaido for today, February 4, 2023. Actually, we arrived yesterday, February 3, Saturday, but something happened yesterday, that's why I wasn't able to document. So short story guys, while we are skiing yesterday here at Furano Ski Resort, I dropped my GoPro camera. So it was in the middle of the ski resort, and then after we check the location where I dropped, it was gone. Someone got it, but nobody returned it to the receptionist or to the ski staff. We've been asking for so many times until night time, but nobody returned it. So I hope they just delete our videos, and so I don't want to overthink about it. But anyway, we need to move on. So now I'm using my iPhone camera right now to document everything here in Hokkaido. So I really wanted to document this, guys, because this is our first time visiting Hokkaido during winter. We've been here for I think 3 times, but it was summer. So this is our first time for this winter. So we visited this Furano Ski Resort because we already have a premium season ticket here, and it's easy for us because no need to pay for the ticket. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, guys. Hope this video will serve as a reference or inspiration for those of you planning to visit Japan. So maybe you will consider this ski resort and our adventure here in Hokkaido. So for now, guys, you're going to see us skiing here at Furano Ski Resort, and enjoy the view, of course. The view here are amazing, guys. Super ganda ng mga view, and the ski resort are properly groomed, but they have an expert course too, guys. Yeah, and it depends on what knowledge of skiing you have. So we usually choose until intermediate because we are of course thinking about our children's safety too. Yeah, so please join us, guys, and have fun. Let's enjoy the beautiful view of the snow and the mountain. So I hope you understand too that my camera is not an action camera. So this is my first time to use iPhone in our ski adventure. So I hope I can get proper video, guys. So thank you, and please keep watching. So by the way, my kuya is wearing his new ski shoes and skiing clothes right now because he already broke his old one. Hi kuya. Hi. So look at that view, guys. Wow. So all the trees here are also covered in snow, just like in Zao Onsen. Yeah. So now at the lifter again, guys. So I'm going to show you guys the short clip that I got from my iPhone yesterday, how we came here in Hokkaido and what happened after that. So we arrived by an ANA flight from Sendai to New Chitose Hokkaido Airport. And these are the check-in luggage we pick up after the flight. Yes, we had a lot of baggage because we brought our skiing gear. Then we rented a car from a Toyota company and chose this specific car because of its good size to fit all our skiing stuff. Then we drove to Nature World Hotel Furano for 2.5 hours. After skiing several times, the kids and I went inside the hotel While my husband was still skiing, we enjoyed this unlimited dessert at the Nature World Hotel. Then at night, we enjoyed the buffet dinner. They have good choices of food such as seafood, meat, sushi, and much more. So these are the food for tonight. It's so delicious. There's so many food in there. And up to the following day, we still enjoyed the food served in this hotel. Okay, one more. Hokkaido is the best when it comes to winter adventures. Coming here made our winter dreams come true, and I can finally accept that winter is ending soon. Hokkaido is famous for its soft and powdery snow, so I think since we know to ski, skiing is the best way to experience it. So by now, we are heading to Sapporo to see the snow festival tonight. And I hope you wouldn't miss that on my next vlog. So I'll see you on my next vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to watch, like, and subscribe. See you!